city where space is shrinking, this one offers you 11 feet ceiling height, 70% of open space, both side ventilation, and a home that offers you private lawn or private terrace. That's exactly what Winds of Life is all about. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Winds of Life, which is located in Sarjapur East, Bangalore by Inspiria Builders. Now I know you guys must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in multiple calls. Well, you no need to worry, but Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. Now, let's start with the project overview. Winds of Life is spread across 5 acres of massive land where you get 3 low-rise towers, each rising from basement ground plus 4 floor with 3 BHK spacious home where you get to choose your unit with private lawn on ground floor and private terrace on top floor unit. While exploring the property, you should consider that a road is passing through the land parcel that separates Tower 1 on other side. Now about the location part, and our project is located bang on Sarjapur Attibele Road in Belapur, Sarjapur, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and our main entrance will be coming up inside over here. And now about the Sarjapur Attibele Road, which is just in front of me over here. And this road will take you towards Attibele. And the opposite side road will connect you towards Hittingur. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity and key connectivity part. So basically you can connect to Azim Premji University in just 4 minutes from our project. Forum the Prestige Mall, it's 5 to 10 minutes away from the project, and upcoming metro station that is just walkable distance from our project. Now about the amenities part, and this project offers you 25 plus world-class amenities with 70% of open space surrounded with greenery. You get a grand clubhouse of 10,000 square feet with all the indoor amenities. Amphitheater, half basketball court, kids play area, open gymnasium and many more luxurious amenities. Now coming to the super built-up area. So Winds of Life offers you premium 3 BHK homes where 3 BHK home starts from 1753 square feet and goes up to 2552 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project details via project 3D model, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Winds of Life located in Sarjapur East, Bangalore by Inspiria Builders. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.